In today's video, I am going to show you how to quickly duplicate a document in PandaDoc. A simple trick that saves time when you need a backup copy or want to create a new file without starting from scratch. Once you're logged in, head over to the Documents section. This is where all your files are stored, neatly organized and easy to browse. Find the one you want to copy, scroll through the list, or use the search bar if you have a lot of files. Next to the document's title, you'll notice a small 3-dot menu. That's where the magic happens. Click it and a list of options will appear. One of them is Duplicate. This is the one we're after. Selecting it instantly creates an exact copy of your document, complete with all the same content and formatting. PandaDoc will confirm that the duplication is complete and you'll see the new version appear in your list, usually with copy added to the title so you can tell them apart. From there, you can open it, make changes, or store it as a backup. And that's all there is to it. Duplicating documents in PandaDoc is fast, convenient, and perfect for working with templates or managing multiple versions without extra effort.